Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I want to show you guys how I got this amazing look today.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shiesty.
This look was inspired by a girl that I follow on Instagram. I'm not sure if she has a YouTube, but I'm damn near positive she has YouTube. Her name is MAKEUPBYDALESA. I don't know if I'm saying her name properly, but her makeup is fucking popping, okay, all the time. And she uploaded a picture of this girl's makeup that she did, and I was just totally inspired by it. I was like, I have to do that look. So that's where this came from. So thank you for the inspiration. If you guys don't know how I got this makeup look, then please watch this video. I do have the picture pulled up on my laptop over here, so you guys might see me a lot looking and referencing over here to the camera, but all out of love, baby. Enjoy the video. So under the eyebrow is like a white highlight. It's still like a glow. It's not too light. So how I'm going to achieve that is I'm going to use the highbrow for my benefit. This little pencil right here. I'm just going to go right under the eyebrow bone. You can see it's right under the brow bone, but what I'm going to do is carry it down a little bit further because this is going to be a good primer for the eyeshadow. Since it is a purple base, I want it to be just as vibrant as her showed up. Now I'm going to go ahead and just blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with my highbrow glow from Benefit and go right under the brow bone as well. I'm not going to carry it lower onto the lid, just on the brow bone. I'm also just going to go ahead and put it on top of the brow too to highlight my brows a little bit more. Again, I'm going to go ahead and just blend that out. Like something like this is in the transition. So I'm going to go ahead and put this right under the brow bone as a transition color. Okay, it's already looking like I want it to look already. Like her highlight is really just popping under her brow. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of the Sunbeam on as well. Have this Mophie palette. I'm going to use this one right here first. I'm going to take this purple and put it like right where I put the transition color. So we're going to go ahead and use this purple next. But in this moment, you should be right in your crease. I have a fluffy brush, okay? And then I just pat where I want the eyeshadow to be, and then I blend it out. Because wherever you lay your makeup brush at after touching this little palette, that's where most of the eyeshadow is going to be. So if you try to buff it, like it's going around everywhere and nothing's concentrated, it's not like vibrant. You want it to be vibrant, you want to just pat, okay? Pat, and then, so now we're defining the crease, and we are going to use this deep purple color right here. And then you want to go right in your crease, basically. Same method, pat first, blend later. Blend the edges out because you want this purple to still be prominent. You want this purple to still stand out the most. So you don't want to blend a lot of it away. You want it to be there. Y'all already know I love my glitter glue. Okay, Too Faced coming at ya. The usual, put it on the palm like that, okay? And then you go grab the glam. You're not gonna grab the glitter, you're gonna grab the glitter. This is the glitter color I'm using. I'm gonna apply the glitter glue all over my lower lid. this look more blended, more even. I want my crease to be more cut. I want the ends to be a little smoky with purple. I'm going to go back in with that same purple color, going into the color and dabbing across my crease line. This looks good, but I do want a more smoky look in the corners. If I had lashes, I would keep it just like this, but what I'm going to do is go in with like another purple color. Use that same deep purple that from the Morph palette and smudge under our eyelids. And set my makeup with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Setting your makeup is key, especially if you're going out for the night and wearing your makeup for long periods of time, because this helps set the makeup, get rid of like the glowiness and dewiness of it all, and it also helps your makeup last longer without any of those harsh lines that I know I get, especially like here on the sides of my mouth, right under your eye. The girl had a very highlighted bronze and champagne glow. So in order to achieve that, or try to achieve that, I'm going to use my highlighter from Fenty Beauty, the Cinnamon. Looks like her cheeks are highlighted here. Thanks for watching this Makeup by Delisa inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then subscribe to my channel. If you are subscribed to my channel, then like my video and share it, okay? Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Shelly Cocaine, and if you guys ever have any makeup look that you see as you're scrolling through Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, whatever, and you just want help on knowing how to execute it, please forward me that picture. Tag me in it on Instagram at Shelly Cocaine. You can also email the photo to me at looksbylachelle@gmail.com. That's looks, LOOKS, by BY, and Lachelle, LACHELLE @gmail.com. Thanks for watching.